Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Aishwarya. I'm so sorry if my voice is a bit weird, but please just bear with me. कभी कभी मुझे लगता है that it becomes a bit hard to maintain our peace, especially when we can't avoid the people who are causing the trouble completely. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि ये बहुत प्रैक्टिकल भी नहीं है. आई गेट इट, द इजिएस्ट सोल्यूशन टू एनीथिंग वुड बी जस्ट अवॉइड इट, राइट? But I also understand that it's not the most practical thing to do, because sometimes you live with them, sometimes they're your friends, sometimes you work with them, so you can't completely avoid them. But it is also true that they are triggering you, and they are just bringing disturbances in your peace, right? So I thought let's make a video about this. Few days ago, so basically why I'm making this video is, few days ago I woke up with a very disturbing thought about certain disturbing people and whatever. And I thought to myself कि यार अब तो दिन खराब हो गया. दिन तो शुरू भी नहीं हुआ था and my first thing was अभी तो दिन खराब ही हो गया. But I was very proud of myself because I could let go of that thought in under 20 minutes, which I thought was a huge development, which made me think over the years, I think I have learned to deal with my disturbing thoughts in a much more mature sense, which made me think, hey, I should make a video about this. So I sat down and made a list of everything that I think I do consciously or maybe subconsciously that helps me be peaceful, and I really hope it helps you. So these are 5 things that I do to maintain my peace, especially when you can't ignore certain people. Fifth one is my favorite. I started doing this very recently, so stay tuned. Pura video dekhna because I really think that is really important. So let's get started. Number 1 is setting boundaries. I know, very basic, but I also think it is very important. I read something recently that actually completely changed my perspective about that. So मुझे लगता था कि किसी और इंसान ने मेरी बाउंड्रीज को रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए, या किसी और इंसान ने they should honor my boundaries and they should respect my boundaries, this and that. Until I read somewhere that your boundaries are for you to keep honor and respect. It is not for the other person to do that. Which made me think कि यार हम लोग कैसे हैं, हम लोग इतनी एक्सपेक्टेशन रखते हैं दुनिया से, कोई हमारी बाउंड्रीज रिस्पेक्ट करे ये भी किसी और से एक्सपेक्टेशन है, हालांकि ये तो हमारी खुद से एक्सपेक्टेशन होनी चाहिए. सो योर बाउंड्रीज आर फॉर यू टू ऑनर एंड कीप एंड रिस्पेक्ट एंड प्रोटेक्ट, जो हम लोग करते ही नहीं है. सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई थिंक वी शुड रियली कॉन्शियसली डू. What you can do to protect your boundaries is start using I sentences. So start saying, I don't like the way you talk to me, or I don't like to receive calls after 9 p.m. if it's work, or I don't like when you use my lip balm. Now you can start saying and setting boundaries for something as small as this to something very bigger and very prominent and important. And it is especially important with people जिनके साथ थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड अरेंजमेंट होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बींग विद देम एंड बींग अवे फ्रॉम देम ब्रिंग्स यू सेम अमाउंट ऑफ पेन. आई एम श्योर एवरीबडी हैज सच रिलेशनशिप्स इन देयर लाइव्स, राइट? कि उनके साथ रह के भी दुख होता है, उनसे दूर रह के भी दुख होता है. सो यू कांट लेट गो ऑफ दैट रिलेशनशिप completely. सो दिस इज वेयर बाउंड्रीज रियली हेल्प यू. So you should start really setting them, and you should start protecting your own boundaries first. Another thing that you can do to set boundaries is you can group people into strangers and acquaintances and friends and close friends and deep friends and whatever, how many categories that you would like. What I used to do is I used to think everybody is a friend. Everybody is a friend, and I would start discussing anything, and their actions would affect me with the same intensity. Then I realized that everybody is not my friend. Everybody is not supposed to be my friend, right? Some people are just friends, some people are close friends, some people are acquaintances, some people are people I work with. Not necessarily they are my friends. That doesn't mean I'll start acting rude to everybody, but that just means that now I know कि इस इंसान का मेरी लाइफ में क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है, इस इंसान का मेरी लाइफ में क्या से है, और इस इंसान के एक्शन से मुझे कितनी तकलीफ होनी चाहिए. सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, स्पेशली इफ़ यू आर समबडी हु इज़ एज naive and cute and thinks everybody is their friends. This is your time to sit down and actually group people into categories, because I think it really gives you a certain clarity and helps you understand कि किस इंसान के लिए कौन सी बाउंड्री कहाँ तक रखनी है और किस इंसान के साथ कैसे डील करना है. And about boundaries, I read a very beautiful quote which said, peace is not about looking for calmer seas. It's about building a stronger boat. And I just thought it was such a beautiful sentence, and I thought it fits perfectly here in with reference to boundaries. Isn't that true? Number 2 is clean up your self-talk. It is very important that you talk to yourself with a lot of patience and with a lot of empathy and with a lot of kindness. मुझे लगता है कि कभी कभी हमारी चीज़ें बहुत सारी यहाँ ही होती है, वो एक्चुअली रियल लाइफ में होती ही नहीं है, बट वी स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट टू आवर सेल्व्स इन हियर, विच क्रिएट्स अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रबल. यार उसने मेरे साथ ऐसे क्यों किया, वाई वॉज शी डूइंग दिस, आई थिंक शी इज़ इग्नोरिंग मी, आई थिंक शी डजंट लाइक मी. You don't even know that. Did she tell you that? No, but you will start assuming that. She treats me like this. I think she's very convenient with her ways. She's this, she's that. Is she actually thinking about you though? Maybe not. It's all in here. So it's important to maintain your peace, that your self-talk is really nice and really warm and kind to yourself. So make sure next time you are having a conversation in your little head, it's kind. Number 3 is don't take anything too personally. It's not about you. I learned this really hard way. I used to take everything personally because I used to think कि हाँ ये तो मेरे ही बारे में है. Oh, you are trying to ignore me. Okay, I get it. And I used to do that a lot. Then I realized कि hey, maybe not everything is about me, right? उसका अपना भी कुछ चल रहा होगा यार लाइफ में, वो क्यों जानबूझ के मेरे साथ ऐसा कुछ करेगा. So there is a possibility कि it's not about you. Unless the other person tells you that it is about you, stop assuming that it is about you. This will really help you maintain a lot of peace in your life, and I think it is really important. Number 4 is be the bigger person. When I say that, what I mean is, so I'll give you an example. Recently I had few months ago, I had a certain fight, certain argument, certain bad scenario with a friend. And I was really upset and I was so angry and frustrated. And I was this really petty person, and I was like, you know what, I will take a revenge, और मैं उसको दिखा दूंगी कि उसने क्या किया है, और सच तो हमेशा बाहर आ ही जाता है. सच तो हमेशा बाहर आ ही जाता है. And I was that person. And I told everybody around me, not everybody, I just told few of my close friends कि तुम देखना अभी इसका ना तो मैं ऐसा भांडा फोड़ूंगी. And I was that. And I thought I was investing so much of my energy into this. I was investing so much of my energy into hating this person that it just made me so angry and upset all the time. Until one day I woke up and I was like, you know what? Hating this person is really hard. I can't do this anymore. Fuck this shit. I was like, I'm going to be a nice person because that's who I am. I don't like to be a rude person. I don't like to give cold shoulder to somebody. I am not that. So I am not going to be that. I am a nice person. I'm going to smile. I'm going to have a conversation with them because remember, we're discussing situations where you can't ignore the people. So I'm going to be a nice person because that's who I am. And then I started behaving like a nice person because, not behaving, I started behaving like who I am. And it really made me feel so peaceful. So I was like, you know what? Fuck this shit. क्या मैं बदला लूँ, क्या मैं लोगों को बताऊँ, क्या मैं ऑनेस्टी कभी ना कभी बाहर आती ही है चीज़ें करूँ. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू लेट दिस वन गो एंड आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू बी ओके विथ इट. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, दैट मेड मी मोर पीसफुल देन दिस होल angry vendetta against that person. And I think that really, really helps. And now 5th and my most favorite. So I'm a NLP master practitioner and I learned this in one of my workshops that I did. And I absolutely love this. This might sound a bit silly and you might not be convinced, but you have to try it to know that it really works. So every time something bothers me, what I do is I actively think about it. I'm like, think about it. Maybe it is a person, it's an event, whatever. In this case, let's just assume that it is a person. So I very consciously actively think about that person. I try to imagine it, see it in front of my eyes. I'm like, okay, this is really bothering me. And then I push it away. So what I do, I literally do this. I'm like, hut! I literally do that. And for some really weird reason, it really helps me. You have to try it to see it. So what? Hut! And it really works and you have to give that a try. Anyway, these were 5 things that I think I do consciously or subconsciously or whatever, but it really, really helps me maintain my peace. If you do something, please let me know in the comments section below. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends, with people that doesn't bring you peace, but you can't ignore maybe. On that note, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Also, don't forget to drink your water. drink it right now. Pure. Ta-da!